Come on, guys. Are you there, everyone? What is your practice on CRUD? CRUD practice, okay, everybody? So Django level, I'm giving REST API is the last introductory part. I'm giving last one. Shall I move forward? Any question for me? Sure, definitely. Santosh. Alternate tag for frame set. Why you are going to alternate tag? CSS3 is there no alternative? Why again frame set level tags? Dheeraj, watch my videos. Yeah, Santosh, sure. Web services, introductory part I'm giving today. Shall I move forward? All Django topics completed. No, today is not class. Today, introductory part of REST API. Some practical example we can see tomorrow. After that one, Wednesday will be last session. Wednesday I'll show you deployment. Okay, Raman? Ravan. What about your practice remaining members up to Django projects? Okay, Dheeraj. Practicing. Using frame set, you are going to do that, Dheeraj? iframe you can use. It will work out. You can try and tell me. Dheeraj. Watch my videos also. HTML5 videos. iframe. Okay. How many you people having XML idea? How many you guys having XML idea? Because no XML idea, no REST API discussion, time waste. Come on, XML idea, anybody, quickly answer my dears. We are end of the sessions. You people should little bit quick answer. No idea, XML. Django, Python, Django, perfectly practice. In future, I'll start Django REST API batch. You want to attend that one? Be strong in XML and JSON. If you know XML, JSON perfectly, REST API easy. Are you able to hear me, everybody? My voice is clear? Come on, little bit active, my dears. Little bit active, please. Ending sessions level, at least you should be motivated. So Python, Django, perfectly you people are practicing and definitely are getting that one, okay? All the resources perfectly you are getting. These are the big resources. Hello. XML, JSON. What exactly XML doing? At least idea. Definitely, Bharat. I'll give you. First, let me complete this Django batch successfully. Definitely, I'll talk to you regarding that. Okay. Right. Now we'll go there. So web services level we can try to observe. First of all, Django level, the number of topics we did. Okay, good. Already Python, you are having good knowledge. So now the combination of all these things I'm going to write. So Python plus Django plus Django REST API is equal to excellent combination. Excellent combination. Job guarantee and less competition in the market like these people. But here thing is what you people need to understand. You are more powerful. Here Python, in-depth knowledge, in-depth subject plus and Django level HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap plus Django plus what is there? XML. See how many coming. JSON plus DJ REST. Got it, everybody now? One database commonly coming in the Django. There's specially no need to write. Bharat. Then you are the perfect Python full stack programmer or developer. This is, reminding members, are you understanding what words I'm saying here? Come on, everyone. Perfect Python full stack programmer. Understood, everybody? Very good. Be motivated, I said. You are doing great job, my dears. Don't give up. Please try to prepare all the resources in a powerful manner. Extraordinary job you will get, no doubt in that one. But prepare well the things. So these 4-5 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, up to Thursday, I'll take the sessions for you. I won't take completely 1 hour. Okay. Half an hour to 40 minutes I'll take. Because these 4 days, what I'm doing, just REST API introductory part and only deployment part. I hope you're understanding everybody what I'm speaking. REST API introductory part and deployment part. That's it. Remaining all topics completed successfully. So there is nothing. How many you people having to become a Python full stack programmer in the web environment? Can you ping, please? How many you are having willing to become Python full stack web programming? Almost 80% you completed. Just 20% means REST API, you completed only. That's it. Almost Python completed, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Okay. All these already completed. XML, JSON, REST API. So XML, JSON, REST API level, means 80% already Okay. Which one you completed? HTML, CSS, JavaScript batch over already? Very good. Yeah, my one completed. That is 4 p.m. you attended, that is over. Anybody HTML, CSS, JavaScript not attended, you can attend 6 p.m. My new batch started. Right. Oh, resume. Okay, definitely I'll give. One day I'll conduct resume preparation also. Don't worry. Okay, certification and resume one day. Okay. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday also I'll take like that. Himanshu. Okay. Everything I'll close fruitfully. Please remember everybody that word. If not completed Thursday, Friday also I'll take. Don't worry. Fruitfully, finally, we must complete. Everybody, I'll talk to each and every member also at the end of the session. Shall we enter into session now? Web services. What is a web service? Now I'm giving one example. You can tell me answer now. You are using Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, correct or not? And lot of payment gateways are there nowadays. Lot of Amazon Pay, even WhatsApp. So there are a lot of payment gateways are there. Correct? Can you transform amount from Phone Pay to Google Pay? Is it possible? I'm giving that example only. Can we transform Phone Pay to money Google Pay? Possible or not possible? 100% possible. 100% possible. We can transfer amount from any payment gateway to any payment gateway. No restrictions. No restrictions. We can transfer from any payment gateway to any payment gateway. Now my question is here. Correctly listen my question. Mohan, correctly listen my question. Phone Pay developed on Java. Google Pay developed on Python. Can these two applications communicate directly? Java and Python, is it possible? Can Java and Python can able to communicate directly? I'm saying one French knowledge person and one Hindi knowledge person can communicate directly. French and English knowledge person both are. Is it possible? Never possible. Never possible. So this is what exactly thing is here. Observe now, once again, I'm giving beautiful examples. This is, for example, Java related. This is Python related. Communication, impossible. Impossible. Then middle somebody coming. That somebody is nothing but API. Somebody is nothing but API. This API language is XML or JSON. Now Django, you know already. You developed Django. Python level Django user, you developed. Django unable to talk to Java. Then you are developing API, means REST. Then it is communicate with any technology. Understanding now? Somebody ask me question now. Just now in the chat box. Plain Django and Django REST API capability, you understood, Mohan Prasad now? Plain Django unable to communicate with other technologies. Then whenever you know REST, any communication between any application to any application. So that is only web service is a way of communication, a technology. Super. Web service allows you to build interoperable distributed applications. Correctly understand. Web services allows us to build interoperable distributed applications. Are you getting this interoperable meaning? What is the meaning of interoperable? How these interoperable things are working here? Interoperability means language independent and platform independent. What is the difference between? So I can say interoperable language independent. For example, Java based application available, Python based application is available. Very good. Okay, no problem. These two applications unable to communicate. Then what we are giving API, we are giving that API language is what? XML. That API language is what? JSON. See, that means what? A French person is there, English person is there. They are not understanding. Then middle who is sitting? Who knows very well English to French, French to English. API sitting. API converting English to French, French to English. That API language is what? XML or JSON. Are you clear now what I'm talking? Are you clear now what I'm talking? That is the power of XML and JSON. Clear at least interoperability meaning, everybody? Interoperability means language independent and platform independent. What is the difference between a web application and a web service? A web application is a server side. A web application is a server side application which provide the services directly to end user. Directly to end user. A web service is also server-side application which provides its services to another application but not to end users directly. Super. Am I clear? At least web application, web service. Web application is what? Server-side application. Web service is what? A communication media between application and services. Very important word. Common question, this one. Web application, web service. Web applications, how they are communicating? Through web service. Through web service. Web service language is what? XML. Old. Latest is what? JSON. Please try to communicate in the chat box. Are you getting my information or not perfectly? Advanced level discussing. So what is web application? For example, A web application is there, B web application is there. These AB applications need to communicate. The communication is we are calling web service. Clear, everybody? What is web application? What is web service? Shall I move forward? Web services allows a program to expose objects over the network. Web services are given by the open community organization called WS, Web Service Interoperability Organization. Web Service Interoperability Organization. So this is web services. So web services also allows a program to expose objects over the network. Types of web services. Generally, web services are classified into two types. I don't know how many people having idea. SOAP related and RESTful related. SOAP related, RESTful related. SOAP based, we are calling big web services. RESTful level, we are calling what we can say JSON related. Okay. Right. SOAP related, we can see simple object access protocol. It is an XML based protocol for accessing web services. Generally, in my Python batches, I'm giving Python plus XML. I'm giving Python plus HTML. I'm giving Python plus JSON. I don't know you people having idea or not. Okay. Python XML important, Python HTML important, Python JSON important. If you attended my sessions already in Python, I'm showing using Python how we can read HTML file, using Python how we can read XML file, using Python how we can read JSON file. These are very important. Using Python how we can read one database related table data. How many you guys having idea? I don't know that one. Okay, right. So based web services is what? XML based. So based web services components are what available? WSDL. What the WSDL? Web Service Description Language we are using here. What are the features of SOAP web services? Definitely I need to show you. Secured available, language and platform independent available. Secured available, language and platform independent existed. Limitation. So SOAP related limitations available. Right. So it's a slow and WSDL dependent. Actually, nowadays we are not using SOAP based web services. Reason number one, slow. Reason number two, XML almost lengthy programming. It takes a lot of time to develop. Sir, you said secured. These are, yes, definitely secured. That security we are providing in the RESTful by using other components. Other components we are using. What is the RESTful? Okay, we'll go to before RESTful services. Can you tell me what is web service? What are the types of web services? Are you clear SOAP based theoretically? Please respond in the chat box. Right. SOAP. Simple object access protocol. It is also media between one website to another website, means one gateway to another gateway in using XML. It is actually security good, but performance is less. Another one, XML is lengthy, Himanshu. Because of these two reasons, nowadays we are not using SOAP. Am I clear or not? You can tell me now. Because nowadays everybody we require performance only. For example, you are paying phone pay amount to your means maybe in the shop, maybe wherever it is. How many fraction of seconds it is taking? Almost, I can say milliseconds. Think once how many payment gateways it is reaching, how much simple it is going. Performance is not there. What do you need to say? Payment, you need to pay it in the shopping mall. You need to wait half an hour, like that only. Performance is the bigger matter. In a fraction of seconds, if you are going to D-Mart, if you are going to more, if you are going to some other big bazaar, big markets, how many members of people are paying? You can think once. Are you getting what I'm saying here? Within fraction of seconds, how it is responding quickly. The performance is the bigger matter. Who is providing more performance? Jason providing more performance. Anybody you heard the name Jason? JavaScript object notation. JavaScript object notation. Very important, my dears. Jason. I don't know how many you listen. Come on, RESTful. REST stands for representational state transfer. Representational state transfer, my dear. We can get contents of this object by using HTTP GET. Features of RESTful web services: faster architecture style. Limitations: it is less secured. Transfer over HTTP only. Because of lightweight, high performance, less bandwidth requirements, less bandwidth requirements, easy development, human understandable format messages. Because of many features, nowadays 95% companies are going to RESTful web services. RESTful web services having more opportunities. At least finally meaning clear or not, you can check and tell me. Then we'll go to some features of RESTful services. So SOAP level, what we are using? XML we are using. REST level, what we are using? JSON we are using. Less internet connectivity. One signal, one drop signal available also, no problem, Bharat. Fully signal required, then only it will respond, not like that. Come on. Right, difference between SOAP and REST. Can you read once? XML based manage protocol. Architecture style. Uses WSDL for communication between consumer and provider. XML and JSON, sending and receiving. Invoke services by using remote procedure call or method calls, we are calling. Simply by URL path only. You don't need to write all these, what we can say, RPC. Does not return human readable result. Yes, definitely human readable result, no doubt in that. These are heavyweight because of lengthy. These are lightweight because of less coding. Required more bandwidth, less bandwidth required here because lightweight. Can provide support to HTTP, SMTP, like that. It supports directly HTTP and HTTPS. Performance I, that is more secure. This is less secure. Security purpose, we are using third-party controls in the REST level. Check it. 9 points I wrote. Any point you didn't understand, tell me. Okay, everyone. Am I any members? Please don't be in silence. Respond. Any point, doubt, please question me. All the points you are getting. Okay, nice. Now I'm giving all the resources. It is powerful and flexible toolkit for building web APIs. What that one? Django REST APIs. What we are calling officially DRF. So different names are there. People are thinking API different, web API different, web service different, REST API different, Django REST. See, all these are different. They're thinking, but here all are same. Are you getting my point here? Many people think I'm saying maybe that one different, this one different, like that. All are same. Finally, what is the main goal of REST API? What is the main goal of REST API? Communication between any web application. Any web application. Excellent. It is a powerful, flexible toolkit for web building web APIs. See how many names are there? API means what? Application programming interface. The main objective of API is, see how I wrote, two applications can communicate with each other. Methods of communication between software components. Excellent. So one application can able to communicate with another application. Something we people need to understand. Ravan, I can say good. If you are having that one, that is excellent qualification for you. Your resume is a unique resume, getting job also easy, and you are getting good package. So these many advantages are available. I don't want to say it is mandatory. It is added advantage to you because nowadays industry is expecting more talented people only. Right. So API. Providing web API, web service, both are same. Communication between user web application, REST level. Representational state transfer is architecture style. Rules and guidelines develop web APIs. We can develop web APIs very easily in a concise way. Hence, REST is the most popular architecture to develop web services. Right, RESTful API. Same, all the definition I provided same. Django REST framework. See how I provided here. Java application, .NET application, in middle API compulsory. Python application, .NET in middle API compulsory. If that API is not there, there is no way. Think now, Java, .NET, C, C++, there are a number of technologies are there. They are developing number of applications. Is it possible without API? Can they communicate? Is the industry existed without API? Can the day will be completed fruitfully? Think once, my dears, morning to evening, whatever the payment gateways you are doing, whatever the payments you are transferring from many accounts between your friends, companies, shopping malls, wherever you are doing. So now you can think only Django. So what happened? You are unable to communicate. The plain Django unable to communicate. At least my words you are reaching means I'm very happy. That's what I'm saying. My words it is reaching means I'm very happy. Okay, by using web services, any application in the world can communicate with one other application. See, the applications can communicate by using HTTP protocol as common language. So the message format is XML. Communication HTTP. Message protocol is what? XML JSON. The common language is HTTP and a common message format is what? XML. Super. These words understand once again, everybody. Am I clear at least those words? Right. Up to there, you are clear, perfect. Observe here. Get level, post level, put level, what we are doing. Understood? Get, post, put, delete. Very good. So get, post, put, delete. These words in a practical level we can see. Can we with can we practice directly Django REST framework? No. You need to install. Three components you need to install. Right. How to install Django REST. So my suggestion today, that is also one library, Mohan Prasad, which is supporting uh, web services. Okay. So tomorrow while coming the session, please, you can install these components and come. This theory part, I'm going to provide you notes. Tomorrow I'll show you that REST API, one example to you. Don't be hurry. No urgent, everybody. Urgent means you can tell me. Slowly I'll close our batch. Another 3, 4, 5 days or 3, 4 days you can spend to me. I'll close all the resources slowly. Deployment level also, we need to see the things. Saturday notes not uploaded. Really? How many members? Uploaded. Saturday notes. Check it. Check it. CRUD and REST API. Okay, now once again uploading now, Himanshu. Don't worry. Santosh, video link, I'll ask the technical team, I'll upload it. Okay? I'll ask the technical team and upload to you. Thank you guys. Catch you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll show you REST API example. After that, I'll discuss tomorrow Django certification. Django certification after resume preparation. Then I'll go to deployment. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I have seen your mail, Sumedh. I'll discuss with you on by the end of the batch. Okay. I've seen your mail already. Thank you. Come on, guys. Thank you. Bye.